grab the hook on the bottom. Now pull down as hard as you can. Okay, now can you unhook that hook?
This?
Yep. Okay, Abigail,
Huh?
pull down on the rope. Don't grab that. Grab the rope underneath
You
it.
want me to unhook
Pull.
it from
Pull
the
it down.
rope?
Pull it down.
I am.
As hard as you
You want me
can.
to pull it
now
out
unhook
from the
it.
rope? Okay.
Unhook it.
Right there works for you. Feels like I will be secure. Are you scared? Me and Denali both are. I'm bored. Yeah, just get me up on your lap. And smells like gas.
Yep.
Bye. Where are we going? This is Denali's first time here. Where are we going?
Gas station.
Look, she is very curious. We're going to get drinks.
Hopefully you won't fall in.
Don't fall.
Straight ahead.
Keep on going straight and then turn this way,
Here.
Dad. It's a bird. We're going to walk to that gas station over there. But first we need to park the boat. Denali enjoyed the boat ride.
Yeah?
Yeah, she liked to stand up and look out at the water.
So we're headed over to this gas station over here to get ourselves a cold lemonade or
Ice cream.
ice cream or something. I think their drink machine is broken, so the kids wanted an ice cream. And
Dad,
we've been working hard, so we feel we deserve it.
not on the road, baby girl.
Denali prefers grass that doesn't have those sticker thorns in it, so do I. Look! Somebody's left their hair.
Is that your guys' hair? And a pillow?
Which one of y'all left your hair here? The burr in her paw?
The bird in your paw.
Where?
She was looking here.
Ew, ow.
She gets them in the middle of her paw pads. It's okay, baby. There we go. Better?
Alright. So what do you guys want?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
I also have to go to the bathroom. Soda and ice cream.
Soda and ice cream? Alright, I'm going to stand out here and hold her while you guys go and go potty, because I don't think we take her in. Look and see what ice cream you want, and then we'll somebody come out here and hold the dog. You okay? Missing a girl? What'd you figure out?
I want the frozen Twix.
Frozen
I have
Twix?
3 things to choose.
3? Alright.
Eeny,
well,
meeny,
here.
miny, moe.
You hold that. We'll go choose.
Okay.
Alright. So there's our haul. Which one's yours? The big cookie? You're good? Back to the dinghy.
Hopefully it didn't get stolen.
Ew, it stinks in there. Ugh, man. Ugh. Our dinghy adventure from one side of the marina to the other.
What took you so long?
And life jackets up. And Denali's life jacket out.
Okay.
The other life jacket.
Come here, Sally. Hurry up. Come on, baby.
She says, no, I am not getting back in that boat. Let me get in and then Abigail can untie the rope.
No, I don't know how. Hey, leave me? Yeah, we're going. Why not? Alright, let's go. Alright, quick.
Are you ready?
Yep. I will be back.
After a quick change, they decided to go on a longer adventure.
Don't twist this, okay?
Yeah. Wait, how towards the lighthouse?
That way? Straight into it first. Sideways, rocks going along.
4, 5, 6, maybe? Look how many there are. Oh! Look at them. They're right next to that one had a very, very cut up back.
Yep.
Pop up to beside us.
Is that cool? Guess we need to get back.
Yeah.
Damn.
We have already started our descent to Anchorage, and this now was much prepared and heavy for Marina.
Hey guys, I am in Alaska. Hard to believe that we don't have more snow here in October, but I'm up here with the girls and we're picking up Gabe and taking care of some medical stuff, and Todd is still in Texas.
Allie's not too sure about her booties. There to keep those stickers from getting in her fur. I spent like 40 minutes last night pulling out like 18 stickers out of all of her paws and fur, so maybe this will help. So today I'm grabbing a bunch of stuff that I will need to sleep on the boat for the next week at anchor. So I have a butane stove that I got from my dad because our propane is not hooked up yet. I don't have the regulators and solenoids and stuff installed. Got some food for the fridge, and one of my goals is to get the actual boat refrigerator hooked up. I don't think it'll take too long to do. I got to get the nav lights hooked up today. I got the breaker in. So I don't know if you guys remember, or we showed, but I broke the breaker, the DC main breaker. I got a new one right here. Anyway, nav lights, refrigerator, anchor, chain, depths marked. Those were my 3 basic goals for today. All right, I'm gonna head to the car and get more stuff. Tomorrow is the start of the Harvest Moon Regatta, which is a race that comes out of Galveston. Where we are is reserved for race people. It's gonna get kind of full, so I have to go anchor out. That's what's gonna happen. Always gotta have the paperwork. Tools to work on the boat, foot pump for the dinghy, miscellaneous rope, kind bars, and some safe natural spider spray because I've found some spiders on the boat. I don't like spiders. Got my honey bunches of oats, some bowls, some Ritz crackers. Off we go. Yeah, there you go. Hello, puppy.
So this is where our daughter has lived for the last couple of years, and we are just getting ready to clean it out as we've gotten everything else over at her new house. Still need to make a load to the dump. We're in the cleaning process. This is our daughter, Kimber.
Oh, dang.
Well, let's see where the kids are. see. What is that?
What? You're doing a TikTok.
A TikTok, huh? For a while. Hey, Katie. So what are your plans these days?
Work
Just, you've got a real person job you have to get up every day for?
40 hours a week.
Even a 401k, right?
I'm trying to get my own sailboat one day.
Yeah. All right, well, we're going to keep cleaning and get this done, and we will see you at the new house.
And these people exist in the public sector and the private sector as well.
All right, so I got that guy in. All right, and I got to get this guy hooked back up. Fire up the breaker and nothing. Egg on my face. All right, what is not hooked up? The main is not hooked up. Now, and there we go, we got voltage. So now, anchor light, running light, spreader lights, those should all be on. I got a refrigeration there. Probably where it needs to go is right there. Refrigeration, let's see what size that breaker is. It's a 20 amp. So we can hook up the refrigerator. Yay!
Oh, that one almost fell over.
Alright, everyone sit on the couches.
Happy birthday to you. Woohoo!
On channel 4.
Okay, now it's nice and toasty warm out. I'm gonna work on the anchor chain. So I gotta pull the boat closer so I can get it off the boat without dropping it in the drink. I don't want to drop it in the drink. Not today. Heavy duty paper for keeping the overspray at bay here, and to keep the paint from leaking through onto like the dock and stuff. There is an acronym for remembering how much chain you have out on the internet, but we're a family channel, so we have done our own acronym. It's a good mantra for us. It's called Get Your Boat Ready. Stands for green, yellow, blue, red. Get your boat ready. So the first 25 feet is green, and then the next 25 feet is yellow, and then the next 25 feet is blue, and the next 25 feet is red. And since we only have 100 feet of chain, red is the end for us on this boat right now. When we replace it, we're probably going to replace it with, you know, a couple hundred feet instead of 100 feet. As far as the paint goes, what I did was I put some vinegar on the chain. We read an article that talked about etching the galvanization with a little bit of vinegar, and that'll help the paint stick better. We'll find out. We'll see if it does. But it should last us for a little while anyway, to get an idea of how much chain we have out. Alright, here we go. Green is done. What I'm doing is I'm painting 3, maybe a little more feet worth of chain. And center of that 3 feet is where the 25 feet is. So now for yellow. Get yours done. Go find boat. I actually have ready done too. Alright, I'm gonna let that sit for a while and then we'll hit it again. Got time for a snack. It's lunchtime. Get some food.
The girls had a great time visiting with their Alaskan cousins and making videos of their own.
Don't do that!
Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room. Fears, tell me fears, don't get me started.
Yes. Hook that together like that. We decided to just go ahead and hook the chain to the road since it was kind of set up to do that anyway. That'll give us 100 feet of chain, and then on top of that 150 feet of road if we actually do need to go with more scope. So, but I got to mouse that clasp closed so that it can't undo. Go find my wire. There we go. All right. I think we're ready. Put the chain back in, put the anchor back on.
Well, he finished his 3 projects and now he's ready to spend 5 nights on anchor. At least we hope so. Be sure to join us next Sunday and share the adventure.